So, made it up to St. Mark's Summit. It's a long way down. Looking up there, back towards Cypress and Vancouver. There's Horseshoe Bay down there. Vancouver Island in the distance. Bowen Island. Beautiful islands in the Howe Sound. And then over here, don't fall over taking this, is the second summit. You see people down there hanging out, enjoying the view on a nice day. Beautiful.
And the lions are behind us.
Yeah, the lions behind us. Can you see them? Right there. And there's the Binkert Lions. Beautiful fall foliage here. Blueberry season for the bears to get their calories to go into hibernation. So there we are. A little piece of paradise. Incredible. Islands in the Sound.